Welcome back to the Gulf Coast. Lovely, cool morning. I called for a stove and a dishwasher, and there they are. Sweet. And it's a burner. Maybe it's the right brand. It's better than scrapyard price. Let's see here. Whirlpool. They don't like this digital stuff because it goes bad. But we'll take it to him and see what he says. I'm pretty sure he'll say no. And the dishwasher, they don't buy dishwashers. It's an old KitchenAid. Cool. We'll take the, come on. We'll take the goodies off, of course. The trinkets. What's that? What's that? For sale. Too bad. There he goes, scrap Metal Mayhem. Old Rusty's been to work hard down here in the States, down here in Florida. Woo! What we got here? A fold 'em up chair. Yeah. And a light. Ow, my finger. Take that. Yeah. That's brass, but I'm not breaking the glass. Smorgasbord. Yeah, we'll take it. Cool. Some funky legs on it. Not bad. I don't even think I have $18 worth of scrap. The only tool you'll need for a microwave: one Phillips, one badass steel hammer, and you get all the goodies. Don't need no security bits. Alright, we just picked up a microwave. Let's take it home and destroy it like we did all the other ones. Let's get rid of some shred. Whoa. Mountains of shred. Shreddy shred. So when's the last time someone saw one item that weighed 22,000 pounds? One piece of item. Boom! Holy crap. 22,000 pounds. Payday. Wow. What a way, what a pay. Check out my friends: Jimbo Scrapper, Grass Cutter, Dumpster Jerry, good old Shark Scrapper, and the rest of them. Alright. Just to focus in better. Light iron. 280 pounds at 8 cents a pound for $2.40. 40% recovery wire, 44 pounds for $1 for 4 pounds. Low grade motor, 38 cents, 10 cents. And irony aluminum, that was the toolbox, for a grand total of $37.55. If you like this video, sorry, I'm multitasking. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share me out, and have a good day. What a beautiful day it is. Happy belated Mother's Day to everybody too.